Hi, how are you? In today's lesson, you will learn how to use a and an in business English. Okay, so to use a and an more effectively in business, we need to look at some basic rules and examples. A and an are called articles. We place articles in front of singular nouns or adjectives that modify a singular noun. Remember, a and an just mean one, okay? So look at this example here. A factory. What does that mean? It means one factory. A customer means one customer. An employee means one employee. And the last one here, an invoice just means one invoice. Okay, let's look at some more rules and examples in the next part. So remember, a and an can only be placed before a singular noun or an adjective that modifies a singular noun. Let's look up here at the board for some more examples here. A salary, one salary. A high salary. So here is the adjective that modifies the singular noun salary. A high salary or a salary. This one here, an old machine. Old is the adjective that modifies the singular noun machine. Let's look at these three sentences here. A worker was fired. So one worker was fired. The next one, it is a big company. So big is the adjective here that modifies the singular noun company. Using these adjectives here make the sentence a lot stronger, especially the noun. The last sentence here, she is a dedicated CEO. Dedicated is the adjective that modifies CEO. So if we take out dedicated, it says she is a CEO. But by using the adjective here, it makes it a lot stronger. Okay, let's move on to rule number 2. Let me ask you, how do we know when to use either a or an before a singular noun or an adjective that modifies a singular noun? Okay, so another important rule you have to know is the consonant and vowel sound of the letter beginning the word. So for example, if the letter here starts with a consonant, you use a. So B is a consonant sound, B. Down here, a deal, duh. Duh is a consonant sound, so we use a. Down here, it's the same thing. A meeting, m. So meeting starts with a consonant sound. And down here, I put the adjective here, feasible, a feasible plan. Remember, a must go with a singular noun, plan. A feasible, feasible is a consonant sound, so we use a. However, on the vowel sound, if it starts with a vowel sound, we use an investment, an accountant, starts with a vowel sound, an estimate, starts with the vowel sound, so we use an. And again, down here, I use another adjective here, an interest payment. I starts with an I, and it sounds like an I, so we use an. Okay, let's look at some more examples here. Remember, sound is the most important factor for determining if you will use a or an before a word. So let's look at some tricky examples up here. So the first one is an hour lunch break. So here, H is silent. We don't hear the H at all here. We hear an hour, hour. So the H sound is silent, so we're hearing the vowel sound, so we use an. The next one, a university lecture, a U. It sounds like U. So it's a U sound, so that's a consonant sound, so use a. Let's look at the third one here, an FBI agent. We use an because it sounds like a vowel sound here. Listen, an FBI agent. Okay, it sounds like a vowel sound. Okay, the last one here, a one-room apartment. The O sounds like a W, wa, a one-room apartment. So in this case, we'd use a because it sounds like a consonant sound W. Okay, let's move on and see how we can use a and an. Okay, so using the a and an rules correctly with business vocabulary will make your business English a lot stronger. Okay, here are some more sentences I wrote on the board that are very strong. The first one is, Nike is a profitable company. This is a very good sentence because I'm using the correct rules here for a and I'm using a very good adjective with the singular noun. Okay, the next one, the factory makes a cheaper product. Again, I'm following the rules correctly, plus I'm using strong business English vocabulary. The next one is, it is a niche market. Okay, don't forget the rule. If the sound here in this word sounds like a consonant sound, you have to use a before that. A market, a niche market. All right. The next sentence here, she is an intelligent CEO. This is also a very strong sentence because I'm using the correct rule here, plus I'm using a very strong adjective in business English, plus a very common word in business English. The last sentence here, 3M is an efficient company. Again, this is a very, very strong sentence because I'm using the and rule correctly, plus I'm using very strong business English vocabulary. Okay, so using the a and an rules correctly, plus using strong business English vocabulary, this will definitely make your business English a lot stronger. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Have a very good day.